Always preheat your mold. To get a good uniform flow of the liquid throughout all the crevices here. If not, when the liquid hits the cold mold, it will turn into a solid and you will not have a good form for your project that you're working on. So I believe it should be ready outside. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna start the video before I pour. Nice and hot. Here we go. I'm gonna go put this back. We can pour 2 or 3 at a time. Put it back in there. This is should be good. There we go. There's the pyramid. Just leave it over here. Let this cool. Let's pour another.